Are you curious about the odds of winning an inside bet at a European roulette wheel?
Yes, 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 yes!
All that and a lot more after the intro. Hey Internet, it's your old friend Dominic here with AmericanCasinoGuide.com. Let's talk about the odds and payouts in online roulette. Like all casino games, the more specific the bet, the lower the odds, and respectively, the higher the payout. In this video, we're gonna be focusing on European roulette as it's the standard variation that you'll find in pretty much every casino and generally offers the best odds, so it's the one you should be playing. Bets in roulette boil down to two main categories: inside and outside betting. Depending on the variation you happen to be playing, there are up to 6 possible types of inside bets, like straight up, where you place your chip on a singular number, or corner bets, where you place your chip on the corner where 4 numbers touch each other. These bets have the highest payouts as their odds are the lowest. Outside bets include red and black, even and odd, and high and low, and all of these pay out at 1-to-1. If you want something a little bit more dangerous and volatile, there are columns or dozen bets which pay out at 2-to-1. The thing to keep in mind though is that payouts are proportionate to the odds of winning. Understanding this mathematical concept is crucial for mastering roulette theory and forming an effective strategy. A straight up bet in European roulette offers the odds of 37-to-1, or roughly 2.7%, given the wheel's 37 unique numbers, including the singular green 0. A straight up bet pays an impressive 35-to-1, which means a wager of $10 could yield you $350 profit if the ball lands on that chosen number. Another factor that determines payouts and odds is the house edge, which helps the casino manage potential losses due to player wins. Placing a straight up bet is a lot like picking a lottery number. However, straddling 2 or 3 numbers improves your odds exponentially, offering either 37-to-2 or 37-to-3 odds, with payouts decreasing to 17-to-1 or 11-to-1 respectively. As I stated earlier, the higher the odds of winning, the lower the payouts. When starting off with online roulette, tailor your bets to your personal risk tolerance and gaming strategies. Do you prefer building your bankroll with smaller, more frequent wins, or do you like the thrill of chasing that big win?
34 red. You win $288 million.
Many roulette players find that a balance of inside and outside bets is the correct approach, but in reality, it really depends on you and your playstyle. There are many roulette strategies out there. We've covered many on this channel already, which you can check out right now, and we'll be covering even more in depth in the future. So stay tuned for that. A final piece of advice though is always play European roulette over the American variation, as it has that lower house edge I was talking about earlier, almost half in fact. And always check what variation you happen to be playing, as the odds and payouts can vary significantly between variations. Thanks for tuning in. Remember to give that like button a clickety-clack and pound that subscribe button if you haven't already. My name's Dominic, wishing you luck and reminding you as always, play responsibly.